guys, it's a fantastic day outside. Class got canceled. It's one of the best days of winter so far this year. Class got canceled. It's 65 degrees outside, which means windows down. And Pokemon is dropping tomorrow. Well, it was already have dropped by the time you guys are seeing this, but if you haven't already, go subscribe to RT2. I'll be doing a whole video with Hayden sometime this weekend on covering that. But let's get that cold start for you guys, since I haven't done that in a minute. So yeah, my tack is a little bit buggy still, and that belt chatter is really annoying, so I'm gonna work on that. But another thing is my window track is also really messed up. It's very slow. I have to really hold that button down to get the window down, but nothing a little bit of white lithium grease can't fix. But anyway, I'm gonna roll out, go pick up my brother and sister. We're gonna enjoy the weather. It's a little cloudy, but temperature is on point today, so windows down, like I said. And we'll pick this video up when I get back home. Alright guys, so I'm back home. It's still fantastic outside, and I almost wish that I could wash it today, but my hose kind of blew a hole in it, so I can't really wash the truck today. But one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my toolbox back in it, because a lot of you guys remember when the truck broke down, I had to take the toolbox out of it so my dad could try to fix it. And unfortunately, that didn't solve a problem, but I do have to put the toolbox back in there because I've been meaning to. I just haven't gotten the chance to. So pretty much this video is just to be kind of all over the place. I'm going to be talking about kind of content you guys should expect with this thing coming in the near future, as there's a lot of stuff needs to get taken care of with it, besides the fact that the headers are got to be installed still. Okay. Well, that done. Pretty much, in case you're wondering where I hide my toolbox, it's underneath the bench seat where like people would put subwoofers and stuff. But since I don't have a system in this thing, and I really don't know if I want to add one at all, I just use it as my toolbox storage. So, what you guys should expect to be soon? What should you guys expect to see soon coming on the channel? There's a lot of maintenance videos. There's a lot of stuff that needs to get taken care of in the truck. One thing has really come up recently, and it's been a pain in my neck, and I've known it's been coming for a while. I've been expecting this, is my ball joint. And a lot of people know on the sport tracks, ball joints like to go bad when mileage comes on. And you guys know this truck has 230,000 miles on it. This was kind of, eventually going to happen. And the driver's side ball joint is now making tons of noise. Pops, crackles, bangs, the whole 9 yards. So I do need to fix that. I'm probably going to wind up going to AutoZone at some point in the near future to pick one up. It's just this side's doing it. If I can, if it's not terribly expensive, I might as well pick up both sides just to swap them out. Make sure I have my bases covered. That way I'm not like running into tons of noise, and that way I don't have to do this all again later. Also needs an oil change, which I'll pick up the same day I'm at AutoZone if I have to go pick everything up there, because we're going to try to figure out tonight which one exactly is bad, if it's upper or lower, and then go from there, because I don't want to buy the upper and it be the lower. That's bad. But yeah, that's one of the biggest things right now, besides the belt chatter, which is just a couple pulleys. I've really been checking them constantly, and the only one I can really find play in is that idler roller, and this is with the belt on. I bet if I took the belt off, I could notice things a little bit better. But the idler roller for sure has a ton of play in it, and I'm pretty sure that it is likely one of the causes of that belt chatter. Like I've said in the past, it's definitely not timing chains. I've heard a truck with bad timing chains. I know I'm in the clear here. But besides that, the other maintenance stuff needs to get done with. I need to put the back brakes on, because the back pads are shot, and I've had them and they're sitting in the garage ready to go. I just haven't had the time to install them. And theoretically, I'd like to get it all done this weekend, and it'd be several videos for you guys to watch. Ball joint replacement, oil change, and the brakes. But I don't know what the plan is, because a lot of you guys know me and my dad kind of tag team this whole thing. So it's going to be really up to him if when all we want to do this, because he's going to definitely be helping out a lot of the ball joint, because that's crucial. Because I'd rather not lose a wheel, and especially since these just went out of warranty. So from there, I really don't know. I might be lowering the truck more very soon. I don't know. I need to find longer U-bolts if I'm going to do this. I do have a second set of 3-inch blocks. I've had them for the longest time now, and they've been sitting in a box. And I put them up for sale on the channel, and no one ever bought them. So might as well use them, right? They've got a 2-degree taper in it, which might work out for the drive shaft angle, which is our biggest concern. We may just wind up stacking it with the other 3-inch blocks I already have on the truck, and we'll be having a 6-inch drop on the rear. Will we figure it out? Maybe. If not, we'll probably just grab a 2-inch from like a park store and go from there, because it's really not that expensive to lower these trucks. And I've already got shocks, and so really it would just be a process of swapping, putting the block on the other block, putting a longer U-bolt in, and cranking in the torsions. Because people still think this is stock ride height for some reason. Don't know why. I mean, it really doesn't look that tall anymore. But we can do it, and it'll be easy. And of course, we'll have a power steering rack video eventually. I gotta take it. We're taking it to the mechanic to do that, as well as the valve covers, because we just don't have like the entire time frame needed to do it all. And a power steering rack is like a good 7-8 hour job for, you know, common hand tools, stuff like that. And valve covers are just a pain on these trucks in general. I mean, the driver's side is really bad, but we're just gonna take it to the mechanic, have them deal with it, because we just don't want to. But from there, we'll get the truck back from that whenever that happens, and I really don't know. Header install should be coming soon, though. I can't give a guaranteed date on that one. I'd love to get it done before Caffeine and Octane this weekend, but I doubt it. So with all that said, I just want to make this short video, talk about what you guys should expect in the future on terms of content. Just a lot of maintenance videos right now, and of course the header install, and then we'll go from there with new content for that, new mods, stuff like that as we go. I'm kind of be slowing down a little bit just to save money up for the supercharger project in the future that I talked about in Tuesday's video. I'm pretty much going to start saving up for that, and I don't know whether I want to buy the manifold kit first or if I want to save up and buy the blower first. I'll probably buy the manifold kit first and then buy the blower later. I don't know yet. I'll figure everything out though. But anyway, with all that said, hope you guys enjoyed this little video for the day. It's nice out. I wanted to come out here. We'll be doing a video on the Kia here soon, because a lot of you guys love this car. It's been featured in the back end for a little while. It outshined the truck in terms of like views. So we need to do some content with it eventually. And it's running, it moves. It just, like I said, needs a couple things to be roadworthy again, and it'll be back on the road before we know it. And pretty much my sister's gonna be taking over the car. In case you didn't know, if you're new to the channel and you've been wondering what this thing is, it's an 05 Kia Spectra 5. It's a 5-speed manual sport package car. So it's got the little lip, it's got upgraded springs and stuff like that from the factory. It was quite a cool car in 2005. I actually really liked this thing, and I still do love this thing to death, even though it's a Kia. It's not like a Focus ST or anything like that, but it's just a 2-liter, 5-speed manual. Like I said, it's got 202,000 miles. This was my dad's old daily driver before he bought his Mustang, and yeah, the 200K mile clip was right here. So, but anyway, we'll do a full-fledged video on the Kia eventually, because I know some of you guys have been wondering about that car. Hey, some of you new subscribers who just subscribed recently, probably curious what the heck the thing even is. But yeah, this car's been around since like 2006 in my life, so we'll definitely be doing a video with it very soon. With all that said, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later.